Hello guys, Sam Dhawan this side, and today I just wanted to walk you through from my account again. And okay, like you can see, I got few referrals in last 24 hours, and they had updated my earning from like 2,500 to like 4860 US dollar. So yeah, okay, let's just go to the down here, and I'm clicking to my Etherscan wallet, and it gonna take me to this page, okay, where I can see the transactions, and I can show you right here, like okay, I got this payment is for like 6.4 Ethereum, and these small payments, and this big one again like 0.8 Ether, and this one like 0.4 Ether. So let's do a math, guys. On this page right here, 6.4 plus 0.8 and 0.4, so we can make it 0.8 plus 0.4. So let's make the total is 7.6 Ether I have received in the last like 20 hours. It's actually more, okay, but I'm not counting the small one. So let's go ahead with this big one, and let me calculate the current rate of the Ethereum, because it's keep rising. So like I just refreshed the page and it's updated by $1, so it's 285 US dollar. So let me go here and multiply this with 285 US dollar. Okay, so I think I'll go here. Let's calculate. So guys, I made like 2,166 US dollar in last 20 hours only, and it's all because the Forsage, the spillover plan, and we get the money from down and up here, and when the people join under us. So, and I just wanted to show you one more thing right here. Like if you are the part of the Forsage partners, so you get the exclusive access of the funnels, and I just wanted to share that okay, the funnel, okay, which I have been using to generate these leads. And let me just like take you here. If you are the member here already, so you can just go and register yourself, but you must need to be the part of the Forsage partners to see all these private posts. So if I am going right here in the marketing funnels, so you can see the funnel, okay, which I have been using right here is here. So okay, this is the funnel I have been using. It just have the small introduction where I have my name, my picture, and just a small introduction about the Forsage, and we are taking the emails. So the users who come here, they read the information, they see the money here, and they see the reviews down there, and they submit their email, and which converted into the funnel, okay, which we are using, the email marketing funnel. And when they submit their email address here, okay, we send them some kind of information about the Forsage, and we just explain them about the bonuses we have and the things we have, and then they sign up under us, and they will get started, and they're gonna start open their slots, and you will make money. And that's how the things roll. And the same thing here, like the forum is available for all my downlines and for their downlines as well, so they get all these information for free, and they can just come here, can download the information. Like we have the success plan, like how you need to operate things here, and we also have the funnels right here, like the more funnels, and the email marketing blueprints, like how you can configure things there. And we also made few the WordPress funnels, okay, which you can download in your the WordPress, and with all instructions and the details. Like we have a video, like how you can do these things, and the step-by-step instruction, the download files. So you are getting all these resources for free if you are joining under the Forsage partners. And this forum is only for the members, and we are keeping it private only, so we can just increase the money. And I just wanted to show you one more thing right here. Like if we go and click on the 1 month status of the Ethereum, so you can see it went up from 220 US dollar to this. So you can see this gap is huge. It's like the 20% increasement in the last like 1 month only, or maybe in 7 days also it just went high so much. So you can see if you are here and you had opened your slots on the lower pricing, so you are still getting these people on higher. Like I had opened my slots, okay, when the rate was like $220, and now, okay, when I am getting the leads, I am getting them, okay, right here for the like a high amounts. And you can see right here in my account as well. I just wanted to keep everything transparent as possible. So you can see the balance here. It got updated. It got updated here. I usually move my funds from here to my bank account. You can see the recent things here. So it's all good. And if you have any question, if you wanted to get into the private forum, if you wanted to have some suggestion, or you have some confusion, so you can get back to us in the forum right here, okay, where we discuss everything, and you can just go to the top and you can read the information here as well. Okay guys, so just enjoy and have a great time, have a great weekend. Bye, take care, see you soon.